So, bakit kailangan ninyong i-comply or kumpletohin yung information? Why? Ano ba PhilHealth? Ang dami namang arte ito. Kailangan pa namin kumpletohin yan. Why? Okay, ganito ho yan. Kasi, ito ho yung number 4. Payment is based on quality services. Okay? Now, the quality services, kasi wala naman ho si PhilHealth dyan sa hospital ninyo eh. Hindi naman sila pupunta dyan, sa totoo lang. They will gauge your quality services based on the contents of the documents that you submit. Ulitin ko ha. How will they know na quality services yung ginagawa ninyo? It is when you put in the right information. Kasi information lang yung hihingin nila. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan maganda yung information ninyo. Huwag ho kayo susulat-sulat lang ng mga walang kwentang bagay. Kasi nga, payment is based on quality services. They will not go to you. They will not do their rounds with you. They will just read the form. Saan? Doon. Napakalayo sa hospital ninyo. Babasahin nila. So if you can actually provide the right information, okay, it will be okay. Now, here's the thing. Ano ba yung isusulat ninyo? Ano ba yung dapat isulat nyo? Okay? Kasi may medical audit. Okay? Babasahin nila. So, anong isusulat ninyo? Very simple. Quality services po is basically, ganito yan, services aligned with the clinical practice guideline. Yan lang ho yung sikreto ng audit. Dapat ho, tugma sa CPG. Okay? Hindi ho yan rocket science. Dapat ho, okay, the clinical information must be aligned to the CPG. Tugma sa clinical practice guideline. Again, they will pay you if you can provide quality services. How? How will they know kung quality services yan? How will they, what is the basis? Okay, yung standard ho nila, dapat may alignment sa clinical practice guideline. Sinong gumawa ng clinical practice guideline? Hindi kayo, hindi si PhilHealth. Yung mga experts, yung mga society. Probably you're a member of that, but there are specific people who actually make the CPG. Okay? Probably, ang iba galing pa sa ibang bansa. Now, ang point ko dito is this. Yung alignment sa CPG. Now, big deal ho sa kanila yan. Kasi, alam ho ni PhilHealth, ulitin ko alam ho ng mga taga-PhilHealth na hindi sila ang expert dyan. So, the most that they do is they understood the CPG and they will just check the information that you gave to them and match the two documents. That's it. Yun lang. Okay? Kasi hindi man din sila, hindi ho silang gumawa ng CPG. Hawak-hawak lang ho nila yan. Okay? Or it's something that they know already. So every time you submit a claim, they will just refer if the documents that you gave them, if it's pneumonia, is it aligned with the CPG or not? It's as simple as that. Kasi nga insurance lang sila. They don't need to make any CPG. Okay? First of all, they are not that competent to make one. They do not have the skills for that. It's not in their business model. So, may CPG lang ho yan sila. Okay? The same CPG na dapat nakikita natin sa mga hospitals. It's as simple as that. So, I'll go back to the slide. So, ang ibig sabihin ho is that quality health services, okay, are services aligned to the clinical practice guideline. Ito po yung information natin kanina. So, ito hong mga purple box na to, yan ho yung clinical. Isama na natin yung clinical chart. Ang gusto nilang makita ho, sana yung clinical information ay may konting alignment sa clinical practice guideline. Ang word ho dito, alignment. Hindi ho required na gawin ninyo lahat ng nakasulat sa CPG. Alignment is the term. So, if that is the case, Okay? Ulitin ko CPG lang naman pala hinahanap eh. So, very simple. Medical audit is a clinical audit. Focus ho kayo sa CF2, CF3. Okay, bakit CF3? Kasi OB ho yan. CF4, that is a prepayment tool.
Your speaker is not working.
Okay? And results. Okay? So, and you have the clinical chart. So, basically, yan ho. CF2, CF3, CF4, results in the clinical chart. Now, do you need to write everything there? Actually, no. For as long as meron ho kayong mga critical keywords na naisulat sa CF2, CF3, CF4, at yung mga necessary results na may alignment ho sa clinical practice guideline, hindi ho kayo magkakaproblema. So this is what I tell my clients. We need to focus on the clinical documents because yung audit na gagawin, the priority is a medical audit. So, you need to prepare for it. Okay?